Karibuni tena, my people. Also today we are going to be talking about our bedrooms. We are introducing how our bedrooms should be looking like. Okay? So here we go. Our bedrooms should be a place of spirituality, a place that we connect to very deeply. So guys, the first thing in our bedrooms should always be a very clean bedroom. Not necessarily, sio kusema clean in what way, I'm talking of another. It's a violent experience. It's an aggressive experience. So that is why we should not be looking for peace in the bedroom. The peace in quotes, yeah. So we have said no plain reds. It has to be a deep red. It has to be yellow. It has to be orange. No greens, yeah. Anything with a shade of red in it is super cool. Another thing we should be doing in our bedrooms is, can you guys be having some evening wear? Not something that covers you up. My goodness, women, my fellow women, stop wearing things that are covering you up all over. Yeah? Wacheni kufunga funga nywele. Can you stop covering your hair with sijui ma what those? I don't know what they are. Yeah? But if you can normalize having just your hair just like that, it's super awesome. It looks super good. Okay? We should normalize wearing lingerie. Yeah? In the bedroom. Bedroom haitaki to night dress. What is a night dress? Yeah? Do not wear night dresses in your bedroom. You can wear night dress in any other room in your house, because a night dress is something that is decent. Anyone can stand you in a night dress. Just wear your night dress, maybe sazile, you're having your dinner with people around you. But when you get to the bedroom, normalize wearing lingeries. Okay? Sawa sawa? Another thing in the bedroom, make sure it smells erotic. Sawa? Wacha kuacha bedroom inuke baridi baridi. You don't need that. You need some sweet smell. Yeah? You can sprinkle vitu kama cloves under your bed. It brings inanyonya harufu mbaya ndani ya bedroom, okay? If at all kuna your bedroom is stuffy, you have a lot of things in your bedroom and you don't have space, this is what you should be doing. Cut onions. Just cut onions, maybe in halves, and then put them in corners in your bedroom. Maybe you can add salt so it doesn't allow anything that is stuffy in your bedroom. Yeah. We also have zile bedroom perfumes. Yeah. You can use, do we call them humidifiers? Yeah. Yeah. Those are the things that you can use in your bedroom to give your bedroom very nice smell. You can also perfume your curtains. You can perfume your curtains. You can have stands by the bedside that you can perfume. You can design something and put it beside your bed, something that gives that freshness, that sweet smell in your bedroom. Okay. Another thing you can do is normalize putting your rose flowers in your bedroom. Yeah? Sawa? They can be real, they can be plastic. Okay? You can throw petals on your bed, you know, like make your bedroom an erotic space. Not just for you, but for both of you. It spices your marriage, it spices your relationship with your permanent, with your mkul, sijui, I don't know, those people. Yeah? That is only if you want to have a very healthy sexual relationship. And tulisha sema, sexual healthy relationships, it stabilizes your marriages. It stabilizes these relationships that you see out here, then hizo break ovyo. Okay, my people? Are we together mpaka hapo? If you must have drinks in the bedroom, yeah, you can have wine. Yeah, the soft wines. Zile hazina high alcohol, sijui whatever, those things. Yeah, you can have wine in your bedroom. It also boosts your bedroom esteem. Yeah, so you can go out there and share everything and have the deeper connection with your partner, so that you have better sex. People love white bed sheets. Can I tell you something? Avoid white bed sheets. Wachana na hizo vitu. It doesn't show cleanliness. People think that it shows cleanliness. You can do soft colors on your bed. Whites are intimidating. Yeah? You want a woman who can squeak. You want a woman that can go all the way to have a serious orgasm, and you have white bed sheets and you expect her to go all the way? She will not. Whites will always intimidate your female partner. Do not allow white bed sheets on your bed on your sex days. You can have white bed covers, white pillowcases, right? But sasa kwa kitanda kwenyewe where you sleep, do not do white bed sheets. Yeah? We tend to think and feel that white is super awesome. Of course it is super awesome. It shows how sparkling clean you are. Yeah? I don't know if you're OCD or not, but now we are talking of an erotic room. Avoid white bed sheets when your girlfriend is coming over. Avoid white bed sheets when you're having a sex date with your wife. Okay? Yeah? Just avoid whites. Girls, you're here with me, right? Ikifika that day, can you have your esteem boosted up and just change the bed sheets? Do not allow the whites. Yeah? See, you come to my inbox, mumejaza my inbox like this, asking me, hey, mom, what do I do to squirts? What, nini. You ask a lot of questions. Now, this is one deep secret that people don't know. Do not allow white bed sheets when you are going to have a sex night. Yeah? Tuko pamoja? Yeah? Because girls will always feel like, sijui, people get depressed in the bedroom after sex. Yeah, people can get depressed. Yeah, like you have an orgasm and the whole place is soiled up. Yeah, you always feel that your man will not see you the same again. Yeah? While that is really not the case. So when you have colored bed sheets, it's always the best thing that you can ever do. If your spouse insists on a white bed sheet, yeah, the bedroom is so wide, is so large, you can have sex anywhere but the bed. Yeah, you can even go to the floor. Yeah, you can even have a stand up on the floor. Umesimama chini and you do whatever you have to do, but you don't have to get to the bed. Do not depress yourself, my people. Okay, so for today, that is enough. Until next time, I love you super. Thank you. Bye.